How much are you being used by health commercials? Answer these 10 questions. How much of what you believe about health is truly your own? And how much has been shaped by commercials? Most people think they're making healthy choices, but many of those choices were designed, promoted, and sold, often at the expense of the body's natural healing ability. Today, I'll ask you 10 simple questions. Just listen honestly. If you answer yes to several of these, you may be more influenced by modern health marketing than you realize. 1. Do you eat a large amount of fruits and vegetables every day? Foods that are cheaper or easier to produce, heavily promoted, and often contain fewer usable nutrients for rebuilding the body. 2. Do you regularly start meals with cold drinks, followed by multiple courses and dessert, numbing your stomach so you overeat, instead of eating slowly and finishing within about 20 minutes? 3. Do you focus on nutrition labels and supplements, trying to replace real food with pills, instead of strengthening the body through its life energy, the true foundation of health? 4. Do you believe bacteria are the main cause of illness and rely on chemicals, cleaners, antibiotics, and disinfectants, without realizing they can weaken your natural immunity? 5. Do you join gyms, health clubs, or expensive retreats, even though the most effective health practices can be learned once and practiced at home or in nature? 6. Do you push your body through intensive, machine-based training, leaving yourself exhausted, borrowing energy from the future, and shortening your lifespan? 7. Do you repeatedly see doctors for the same condition, even though it never truly heals, and new problems appear from the treatments? Traditional doctors understood something different. They believed illness could be resolved, often within a few months, without creating new symptoms. Better yet, can you become your own best doctor? You are the only one who can truly feel your body and recognize imbalance early. 8. Do you believe chemical medicine can heal you, trying treatment after treatment, without realizing that only the body can heal itself? 9. Do you keep buying healing tools and devices, without realizing your greatest tools are already with you? Your hands, movement, mind, and daily habits? 10. Do you follow health trends, hacks, and breakthroughs, mostly driven by commercial interests, instead of using time-tested methods and building your own healing system? If several of these questions made you pause, that's a good sign. Awareness is the beginning of healing. Do not rely on anyone else to take responsibility for your health, just as no one can live your life for you.